In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot Ninja Forms errors in WordPress. If your form won't submit, emails aren't arriving, or things just seem stuck, this walkthrough will help you isolate the cause and fix it. First, identify exactly what you're seeing. Is the form not submitting at all, where users click submit and nothing happens? Are you getting an error message, or is it an email delivery issue? Pinpointing the symptom guides the rest of the process. Next, enable WordPress debugging so you can surface PHP errors. Turn on debugging to expose problems that are otherwise silent. If you're comfortable, enable it in your WP config file. Then try submitting the form again and check the generated logs. These messages often point directly to a plugin conflict or a misconfiguration. Speaking of conflicts, test for plugin and theme issues. Temporarily deactivate all plugins except Ninja Forms, then test the form. If it starts working, reactivate your other plugins one by one to find the culprit. Also consider switching to a default theme just long enough to confirm whether your theme is involved. Now verify your email setup. Open the form's notification settings in Ninja Forms and confirm the recipient's the from address and any conditional logic. A small typo or a missing field can prevent emails from sending even if the submission itself is fine. Check for JavaScript errors in the browser. Open your developer tools, go to the console tab, reload the page, and submit the form. Red errors here can block the submit action and usually trace back to a conflicting script or a missing dependency. Keep everything up to date. Update WordPress core, your theme, and plugins, and make sure Ninja Forms itself is on the latest version. Many submission issues are resolved in recent releases. If your form has file uploads or lots of fields, low server limits can cause failures. Increasing PHP limits like memory and post size can prevent timeouts or truncated submissions. Ninja Forms Pro includes logging. That's extremely helpful. In the dashboard, go to System Info and check the logs. You'll often see clear indicators of submission errors or failed emails, which accelerates troubleshooting. Clear any caching next. If you're using a caching plugin, purge the cache so older scripts or markup don't interfere with the form. Do the same for any server or CDN cache if applicable. If the form still misbehaves, rebuild it. Export it via Ninja Forms. Export, import, recreate it from scratch, or import it into a clean WordPress install to test. Finally, contact support. If you're on Ninja Forms Pro, submit a ticket with detailed steps to reproduce the issue and any error messages. Their team is typically quick to identify plugin-specific bugs and recommend precise fixes.